susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Mika, tawag ka. Sino to?
Sumagot ka.
Sino to? Si Kelly! Si Mika.
Binla, but we told our viewers that we're going to Starbucks. Thanks, man, guys. We don't like Starbucks bangin anymore.
Everyone can see we're together as we walk on by, and we fly just like birds of a feather. I won't tell no lie. All of the people around us, they say, can they be that close? Just let me state for the record, we're giving love in a family dose. We are family. Hey, I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Sing it to me. We are family. I got all my sisters with me. We are family.
So guys, here I am. Ako lang muna. Ako na sa akin nakatutok yung video eh. Ito naman eh. Ito naman ah.
Alright, so where are we going?
Here. Oh no, there's something there. Bing pong. Beer pong. Beer pong. Ayan oh, beer pong oh.
Ano hot chocolate inumin natin?
Oh, hot chocolate.
You can
Oh.
barely see it.
Pwede daw beer pong na hot chocolate oh. Ayun po oh. Pwedeng beer pong na hot. Ah, okay. Okay. Chill.
I don't even know what
Ayoko dyan.
Beer pong yung gaganon naman yung ball. When you throw the ball, and when the cup hit that, you will drink that.
English only. Because if you do Tagalog, we have to put in the subtitles.
Okay guys, we're going upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yeah? Look at the steps. Okay, there's a ban egg. No. Let's request. Later I'm gonna sing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The place is too shallow. Saan tayo? Dito na lang. Okay guys. Here we are sitting at the couch. On. At the okay. On the couch. Sorry, edit. What kind of drink is that?
Ano to?
Lemon. Ginger. Lemon and ginger
Fresh
shot.
lemon.
Go. Shot.
I learned from the best.
Okay, here we go. Another shot for McPeak. What kind of shot is that? Shot. Go.
Yeah!
Shot. Game! Ano ba yan?
Commercial.
What is the name of their shot?
This is
What's the name of that bird?
Go! Shot.
Ikaw naman, shot lagi.
Ikaw naman! Ikaw may gusto niyan eh. Go! Go na!
Ba't ko sino iinom niyan?
Okay.
Kailangan ko ng chaser. Ba't?
Ano siya? What is it? Again. Ano siya? Game. Gumagin na ka ba? Body shot tawa dito.
We're back. And if you're listening to this video, you're one of our channel.
Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to enter for this giveaway of an iPhone 7 Plus.
Ikaw nga, walang iPhone 7.
Clickbait na siya.
Camera!
CCTV. Lasing ako ah.
Makikita lahat ng ginagawa. Mga may sapa kayo. We're going home. We are staying at Manila Hotel. We're going to swim tomorrow. Yeah, with the new swimsuit that we bought at the Walmart. Range price is
149 pesos.
500 to 1,000 pesos.
Sponsored by
The girl rich. The girl rich in love and wealth. Named by Jingle or AKA Jing Jing. Use the promo code Jing Jing for 20% off
on the Nutra box. Your first
at audible.com.
Audible.com/G. That's GING. GING.
Yan Uy, buksan mo yung bintana, dali! Andito na! Dali! Dali, lalabas na! Wala! Lalabas na? Ay, nago! Someone just... Nakapasok ulit!
Action.
Bakit nabanggit mo na yan? Okay na? Oo, kanina pa.
Ito may nangyari Keng sa English.
Wait, this me, help me. This is how you... This is how you hide rice. Oh, just one.
Isa lang. Today we're here at is this
Club
Synergy,
Synergy.
and it's very small.
Tingnan natin kung makakakuha tayo na
Kahit ano.
kahit ano. 180 ang akala ko GTEC.
The cheapest is 90 yung mga
No, 70. Razer.
Eraser. Nagawa na ko ba?
Pila. can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can
What are you? May isa? Isa lang? O dalawa?
sa hindi inaasahan. Nagtatagpo ng mga mundo. May minsan lang na nagdugtong. Damang-dama na ang hugong ito. Ba't di pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Ipaubayan na lang ba to sa hangin? Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulok ng damdamin mo. Narito ako't nakikinig sa'yo. Zero score!
Good.
Underneath the chandelier, we're dancing all
Painom nga kay.
alone.
Madumi to. Asa ni Painom nga. Painom water. Water please.
Right now.
Asa na yung ano kanina?
So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door.
Wala eh.
Oh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore.
Ikaw lang, bes.
Hi guys. Today, we are here at Ninyangan's,
And where?
Giginto, Bulacan.
Kaya na. Mabigat. Hindi mo kung paano mabigat na naman. Nashock pa ako eh.
What you guys doing?
Oh my God!
Ah, look at that food. I'm Look at the eyes. Let's taste it. And we're going to eat chicharron bulaklak.
Crispy pizza. Tawilis. Fried Atik. And Tehom. There's more. There's Sugapo. There's Sugapo.
Sigapo.
Some prawn.
Prawns.
With Peleman.
Palaman. And Squidward. It's hard when there's no viewfinder.
I know, right?
Why'd you get this one then?
Because I'm poor.
So leave a like, subscribe so we can get more money.
Yes, so we can get more money and
Wait, is it blurry?
buy a GoPro with a
Viewfinder.
viewfinder.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Hi!
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi! Oh my God! Nashock pa ako eh.
How about this one?
Hey, look at that food! Fresh food! Look at those eyes. And
Tama, ganun.
this is a head belly. No.
Spring salmon.
Head pink salmon.
No.
It's a head of a pink salmon.
Gusto ko
Ta-da!
ng ilan? I want 100.
That's puset.
Yeah, I want 100.
It's the squid with Pele, man.
Pink fresh ko.
Bakit mo kayo ulo na ventilador? Ay, hindi pa, abot mo ba?
Yeah.
Anong palagay mo kay Candy? Maliksi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? Please.
Calamansi.
Calamansi. What?
It's like
What's the equivalent of calamansi in the US?
like lime. But here it's
What's the difference between lime and calamansi?
it's smaller.
And the spelling.
How about the taste?
You know what
And the
else is-
spelling.
You know what else? And the name.
And the name, the spelling.
You know what else is smaller?
That's not allowed.
Wala ba ako sinasabi eh?
How many calamansi is that?
Not that much.
Tagal.
Yun lang.
Okay, game. 1, 2, 3, go! Ew, Mike. Okay, bye-bye.
Bumagsak ka pa dyan. Dito ka dumaan.
Ninangan. Bye, Ninangan. Thank you for the awesome food.
If you're ever in the Philippines and
Yeah.
Bulacan,
Try the
Bacoor,
Ninangan. Bulacan. Bulacan.
Ninangan.
Bulacan brunch.
Brunch.
Yeah,
Brunch. Brunch and breakfast brunch. It's hot.
How hot? How hot?
Hotter than me.
Oh God. You know what else hot?
What?
It's you.
Edit that out. Edit that out.
This is the Adriano's.
Behind the scenes photo shoot. Our Uber's here.
Candida siya.
Asia.
Oh. Gumagana kahapon. Gumana kahapon. Parang pero mas niya. Nag-iba. Okay.
Oh my God. Why are we fighting? Oh my God. Naka-vlog pa to lahat? Yes.
Because the weather is hot. Para lang pala sa vlog yun eh. Naniwala kayo sa acting ni Michael.
We're going on an adventure without the little.
Am I ugly sister?
Your ugly stepsister.
Hindi ka pala, dala mo raw.
Chat ko sa'yo!
I don't think we should talk about that in the vlog. Yay, we have quality.
Quality TV to.
It's not TV, it's YouTube.
Tara yun yung ano.
Oh my, look at our view. It's Manila-based trash.
Yan yung... Yung bimpo ka po na sana. Wala na.
Doon na lang, di.
Yung mic ko parang ang tanga.
Tawag mo siyang kuya. They're fighting.
Comment. I don't want to be
No comments.
in between.
Si Mika di marunong makinig. Uy, gago, bawal yan, tanga.
But, dash cam.
Bawal yan, gago.
Where are we, guys? Where are we?
Ogo.
Will you explain what place this is? What do they serve?
Olam go.
What kind of food, dumbass? Oh,
Filipino food.
and what did you order? Oh, we'll see later what they ordered.
Ayun na lang ulam yan, di ba? Meron mo yung taxi. Opo, taxi.
Ilan? 1 to 7.
Then SARS.
7. Oh, 6-1. 6 Sarsi, 1 Sprite. What is this make?
This is dinuguan.
Make, you say it.
What is it made of?
Dinugu.
What is it made of?
Pork blood.
No, it's chocolate. Say chocolate, so they will eat
So the
black chocolate.
black chocolate.
Carlos, din na yan.
Really?
Baboy.
You mean
Why?
pork?
Why is he why? Yes. He's baboy. Ano yun? It's rice. Bakit yung coffee?
Sino rice? Lasang-lasing, real sugar.
Sino sa kanila, ate? Ganda daw. Ingay ko daw. Ganda? Hindi narinig.
Me.
According to my father, he started it. If you're ever in Malabong City,
This is a must.
it's a must.
Ayan na ang lugaw. Oh no. Say hi muna, ate.
Hello.
Say visit us.
Oh.
Advertise
On
mo
our
to, te.
Facebook page.
Camera pala yun.
Uy, ito pa.
Ano?
Pa.
Oh, more. One, two, three, go. Picture Picture Namukha mo si Kuya Kuba. Ay, si ano? Si ano?
Kuya Kuban.
Yung kumakain ng pupo dun sa amin. Si Arnel. Ariel. Arnel.
Ng pugo. Today,
We are here today at MOA.
Yeah,
The largest
SM
mall.
Hypermarket.
in the Philippines.
We are buying some drinks for tomorrow event.
It's also the 5th largest in the world.
Oh my
What is the second?
It's-
Your?
No, it's better than top 1, 2, and 3, and 4 because it's bigger. Top
And
5.
the next one is this one.
It's vlogging, not carpool karaoke.
So here we are near to our destination. Hey you guys, where are we going?
We're
We
going,
are going to Shirley's
Villa.
private resort pool
And where?
at the Calamba, Laguna, Philippines.
In
How long have we been on the road? About
2.5
hours.
Kay Gaya.
What is Gaya Gaya in English? Copy.
So hey guys,
Hi, tonight, we are here at walang Villa. Shirley's private pool resort with the Adriano clan. Hi, camera. Hi, I'm Pam Gonzaga. What?
I'm the head of the clan.
I'm Siren Fred Gonzaga. I'm the most handsome. Follow me on Instagram. Gonzaga. Siren.
Mother Earth, please wait first. What can I do for you? Well, introduce yourself. I'm Nenet Gonzaga.
Ubos ang aking maring, di ko panahalin ka. When the night has come, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas, lumalabas, banyong queen. At ang sabi niya sa akin,
Hi, my name is Sue, and I'm 27 years old from Malabon City. I'm the cutest in the family, and what is your saying?
I'm the only one girl.
What? See, I'm kind of shy because there are many audience here.
Bakit na mahiya? Boda lumapa. Na matapos na kami, sabi niya, isa na! Hanggang, oh yeah. Ilaw ako. Lumalabas. Sa iyong oh darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, madalas lumalabas Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay mo. Nabago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Handa na kong amunin ang aking mundo. Pagkatuloy pa rin. Load up your gun, bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend. She's overborn and self-assured. Oh no, I know a dirty word. Relax up, it's prestigious. Here we are now. Continuous, I've been stupid and contagious. Here we are now. There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never see it coming 'cause you're fighting from the start. Know that you're the one for me. It's here for everyone to see. Oh baby, oh, you will always be my Jobaras, and it's the only way we know how to rock it. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us, and it's the only way we know how to rock it. In your eyes, even though we used to argue, it's alright. I know we haven't seen each other in a while. You will always be my
Guys, and now is the last day of our trip. Last of the year, but not last.
Maybe not. Maybe you don't know yet.
Yeah,
Last for now.
last for now.
So right now,
Yeah.
right now, where are we going to?
So,
Our Uber driver is so very
yeah, like 5 star. Look, there's a candy,
Free candy.
charger, tea towel, and everything. Good music. Right?
Never been. Where are we heading?
Ay, MOA.
Mowa
The
is what?
biggest, the 5th biggest mall
In the.
in the world. Mhm.
What does MOA stand for?
Mall of Asia. Okay.
You don't know?
Maybe.
Ano ba lang natin yung ang dry? Sa mga ka-YouTube namin dyan, ano po ba ang maganda?
Tagalog.
What are the most effective cleanser in the face that you can suggest to me? Comment down below.
Today's the Philippine Independence Day.
Yeah.
The 119th. The president.
We saw today we saw
the mayor of
the Manila.
Wait,
Correct.
we saw the mayor of
Joseph
Manila.
Estrada. Also, our PNP chief is General Boto de la
Her
Rosa.
future father-in-law.
My future brother-in-law is Joseph Estrada.
I'll show a picture of
I
his
am
son
the
right here.
wife of J.K. Hersito.
I'll put the picture right here.
Yeah, later. When we edit it.
So, we made it. In the world.
Fifth largest mall in the world. Universe, rather.
I also have to pee. Bye.
I would like to thank to my sponsors. First, Tokyo, Gatorade, Twister, the SM Store, to my Kung Paano Ako Pumayat, La Kumpake, The Iwasawi Project, and
And
to
the
the National Bug Store. Oh my God.
Kasama daw yun. Ito sa try na lang natin sila. Sinasabi mo sa speed kanina.
Yan na, ginagalingan.
Okay na sir, try natin sir.
Oh my God.
Na sir, dito Sir, kailangan mo mga gagamitin natin.
Surprise, Kuya! Surprise!
Heavy. 1, 2. One,
Bakit hindi natin balik-balik kami mag-iista kayo?
Isa pa, kailangan maano mo yung ano mo.
listen, come on.
$50 daw, Mig! Asi may talaga. Si Mikmik, competitive si Mikmik.
Isa pa daw, sir.
Okay, ma.
1, 2.
Sablay.
Mick! Mick! Sayo ka, sayo!
I'm Maria Victoria Enriquez, age 54, representing Malabon City. I'm the eldest and the cutest in the family. Go to your house.
My name is Arnold Albina Gonzaga, 49 years old. I'm from Malabon City. There's no bad student, only bad teacher. I handle the logistics.
Hi, I'm Nicho Adriel Santos from New York City! Age doesn't matter, you know. My saying is age doesn't matter also.
Hi, I'm Jen Augustin. I am 46 years old. I am from Washington, D.C. I manage the family. Time is money, money is time.
Hi, what's up? My name is Gibson. 36 years old. Single and ready to mingle. Motto in life. Do your best.
God will do the rest.
Yes.
Hey guys, we've come back to Mawa.
We are back
This
in
is our
the
last moment.
to shine.
And we're going to the bathroom right now to go pee.
Don't ever mock me.
What you say?
Don't ever mock me.
Don't. You mock me.
You don't dare.
Oh, I
Last day in the Philippines.
for us.
Right, for you guys, because you guys are going back, and it's a really, really sad day for you
Kiss
guys.
my ass. Oh my god, that's me.
Oh my god. Who's that? Who's that?
Oh, that's Vlogception. Oh, that's me again.
No.
I just ran into this glass wall. I thought there wasn't one.